If you're a parent or caregiver of a child diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, ASD, the Prime Path ABA onboarding journey is here to help. At Prime Path ABA, we make starting ABA therapy smooth, supportive, and stress-free from day one. The process begins when you reach out via phone, email, or our website. Our team responds quickly, gather a few details, and send over a quick intake form. Next, we verify insurance benefits and handle any necessary authorization to make sure therapy can begin without delay. Then, a board-certified behavior analyst, BCBA, schedules a consultation either virtually or in person to assess your child's needs and create a custom therapy plan focused on communication, behavior, and daily life skills. We review this plan with you, and once you're comfortable, a registered behavior technician, RBT, starts delivering therapy sessions in your preferred setting with ongoing supervision and regular progress updates. Let's help your child take the next step forward. Contact us today for a free consultation or to schedule an assessment